Ever struggled with scattered design files, messy collaboration, or tools that cost an arm and a leg every month? If your team's design workflow feels chaotic, you're not alone. That's where Pixso steps in, a simple, powerful design tool that keeps your projects, assets, and team all in one place. So, what exactly is Pixso? Think of it as a cloud-based design hub. It's like having Figma, a digital whiteboard, and a collaboration tool all rolled into one. Whether you're a designer, product manager, or developer, Pixso helps you create, prototype, and share your work without switching between a dozen apps. One of my favorite features is real-time collaboration. Multiple teammates can work on the same file at once. No messy back and forth, no version confusion. Everyone sees changes instantly, whether you're adjusting colors, editing text, or refining layouts. Another big win, Pixso feels instantly familiar if you've ever used Figma, Sketch, or XD. The learning curve is super low. You can import files directly, keep your existing workflow, and be productive from day one. Pixso isn't just about polished UI design. It also comes with a whiteboard mode. Imagine your team brainstorming ideas, mapping user flows, or running workshops on an infinite canvas, all inside the same tool where you design your final product. It also saves you time with built-in components, reusable libraries, and easy export options. Need developer-ready assets? No problem. Pixso makes handoff smooth and frustration-free. And here's a bonus. With the Plus plan, you're not capped by projects. You get unlimited designs, team libraries, and even AI-powered features to speed things up. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Tools like Figma or Sketch charge you every single month, and that adds up quickly. But Pixo is offering a lifetime deal on AppSumo. Pay once and you're set. No ongoing fees. And yes, it includes future updates too. If you're curious, check out the link in the description to grab the Pixo lifetime deal before it's gone. Remember, AppSumo deals don't last forever, and this one could easily save you hundreds of dollars every year. Give it a look and see if Pixo is the design tool you've been waiting for.